Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix roadblock session expired issue or roadblocks 200_1040 error. So firstly, what I will advise is just simply restart your game and your computer, and after turning back on just simply check whether your game is running or not. So just simply restart your computer. So after the restart is complete, if your game is still not running, just simply again open up your Epic Game Store. Then click on the three dot icon over here under the game. Then go to manage. Then click on verify. Now let the game verify. It might take few minutes, so just simply wait for it. And while it is verifying, just simply minimize the window. Then go to your start and open command prompt. So just simply type CMD. Then just simply run it as administrator. Now over here you have to just simply paste few commands. So the commands will be in the description box below. So just simply copy and paste it over here. These are the commands. So just simply copy and paste them one by one. Then the last one. And then press enter. And after all of that, just simply type exit. And then enter. Then just simply again restart your computer and check whether your game is running or not. Then after restarting your computer, if it is still facing the problem, try the last step. So for doing that, just simply go to your start and search control panel. Open control panel. Then click on network and internet. Then click on view network status and task. Then click on change adapter settings. Now click on the medium whichever you are using to access the internet, either the cable or Wi-Fi. Just simply right click on it, then properties. Then just simply double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and enter the following DNS. So in the preferred DNS, just simply type 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server, just simply type 8.8.4.4. Then while it is setting up on exit, just simply check this box, then click OK. Then again click OK, and now it will take few seconds for the DNS to take place. So just simply wait for it, then press close. Now after that, just simply turn off your computer and your router, and then just simply turn it back on. So after it is turned back on, just simply again try to open your game, and I'm pretty sure now your game should launch. So as you can see, my game has launched and the issue has been fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.